Today I've met some wonderful people here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. In fact, I just met a lovely couple from Nepal, and I'm hoping that we're going to be able to do YouTube together about Kathmandu. This morning earlier I met some wonderful people from Japan at a festival, a mochi festival, which you'll see in another YouTube. And now we're continuing with the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. And the next stop has to do with honeybees. And this is their shop here on Main Street. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing a YouTube series.
Oh, okay.
111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. And your honey place in Surrey is in the book.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm going to ask the lovely lady a question or two, and then we'll be on to off to the next spot along our journey. So the place in Surrey is where you have the bees?
It's part of the area where we have them. We also collect our honey from other beekeepers in BC.
Okay.
So not all of our bees are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the only retail, the only shop you
No,
have?
we have another one in North Vancouver.
North
Surrey,
Vancouver.
a bunch of different products here that they do not carry at our Surrey location. So another thing is like, so the Honeybee Center in Surrey, we're in association with them, but we're not the same company. So
Okay.
This is the ones at Sunset
Okay.
Community Center.
Okay.
And so we make honey from there that we sell here, and we only sell here. You can't get that honey anywhere else.
It's special honey. It's
is.
high quality.
Yeah.
Is it the equivalent of organic, where it's...
It is the equivalent, but it's not organic certified, as we are a small business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, honey, I learned from the other place, is one of the most amazing foods that is really on the earth. It deals with allergies.
Yes.
And all kinds of other holistic solutions.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, it's been used for so many different medical purposes, like dating back thousands of years. It also has, it's a self-preserving food, so it never goes bad. Okay. So you can use it now or in 20, 30 years. It also helps a lot with things like wound care, as well as has antibacterial properties. Certain honeys have it higher than others. It also is just a really good boost of vitamins, and it's also a really good sweetener alternative. So all around, it's just a magic food. Like,
very cool.
Yeah.
You have a passion for this as a business, or?
Yeah, I've been working here for about a year now.
Wow.
And I love it. I love the company and the people I work with. It's amazing. It's very relaxed, and I've learned so much in the past bit. I used to do volunteer beekeeping at UBC when I was in college.
Okay.
And that was very fun, but now I'm back into it, so it's...
What's your name?
My name is Nikki.
Nikki, I'm Danny.
Danny, nice to meet you.
Channel's Advisor Danny.
Okay.
If you want to look it up, you'll be on it in a few days, and hopefully get some customers from this and people when they come through. It's a wonderful book, and the authors decided, Dave Dorgy and Graham Menzies decided to place the bee business in it as something people should see. Okay. Again, the Surrey location, you've explained the connection between the two, and so hopefully people come and visit with you and buy products.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. What a beautiful place here in Vancouver. A lovely lady working, has a passion for bees. Thank you for sharing a little bit of time with me. And now we're off to our next place. Somebody very famous used to hang out in this area. In fact, 137 Pender is where he spent a fair bit of time hanging out. Well, the book says 137 West Pender, but there's a 163 and a 133. So, I don't know. We're going to have to do some more research, but maybe somewhere in here. Olympics were here in Vancouver in 2010. A lot of things happened during that time. A lot of the places in the book have something to do with the Olympics. This is one of them, here in the Olympic Village. Two big birds, pieces of artwork. How you doing?
Hi.
Beautiful dogs.
That's quite the camera you got there, mister.
That's a GoPro.
Oh, it's one of the new GoPros.
It's a 9.
If I could see you once again, if I could hold your hands again, I will never let go, 'cause though I touch my soul like you. If I could see you once again, if I could hold your hands again, I will never let go.
All right, this is it. The Japan War Memorial at Stanley Park. Jericho Art Center.
Walking down the street.
It's in the book. You can find out a lot more when you get your own copy. Then you can read it while you are watching the videos, which give you a little taste for each stop. Here we are. I've never seen this. Kitsilano showboat. Wow, it is big.
Think of it's you.
Ah, they have plays or something here.
From morning when I wake up, it's you on my mind. If I could see you once again, if I could hold your hands again,
through YouTube and other social media platforms, both long and short videos, we get to chronicle, we get to record something of our life for future generations to enjoy and learn from, both the good and the bad. So thank you for being a part.